This is the award-winning Lee Pitts Live.
Brought to you by the North Law Firm. For car accidents and negligent security cases, call Joe at 239-337-1191. And by Lee Health.
Southwest Florida, welcome back to another edition of Lee Pitts Live. And we are Johnny on the spot here in Punta Gorda at the Blanchard House Museum of African American History and Culture of Charlotte County. I think we took care of that business. We're so thrilled to be hosted here, and we've enjoyed ourselves here, and we have one more week to continue to come to you from this fabulous museum. We encourage everybody to come here. Today we have a fabulous show in store for you. We'll get a chance to talk to Kobina. He's on the board of the African Network of Southwest Florida, Public Relations Director. We also get a chance to talk to Elvis Maurice Collier. He's a certified mold remediation specialist in emergency management restoration company, and we're looking forward to finding out all about that mold and how you can manage around that process and be healthy. We'll also get to talk to some people who work here in the museum. We'll get a chance to talk to Scott and Jill. All that's happening on Lee Pitts Live. We'll be right back. Southwest Florida, we're so happy to have my good friend Kobina here. Kobina, welcome to Lee Pitts Live, man.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
Always
Yeah,
good to
happy
get you
to
here.
be here.
Well, you know, every time you come on the show, you outdress me. And, you know, I keep telling you, to, you know, let the host be the best dressed.
I'm just following your step. I'm learning from you.
But one of the things, hey, Kobina, one of the things I learned, though, even in college, man, my African buddies, they knew how to put some clothes together.
Yeah.
I think over in Africa, though, you're able to get, a lot of that stuff is custom made, isn't it? You have tailors and things
Yes.
like that.
Yes.
Go ahead and elaborate on that. I know it's not a part of the show, but just clothing.
Yeah, when it comes to clothing in Africa, you know, the textile, everything, you know, is done by hand, you know, in villages, everything. So we don't have advanced industrialized, you know, type of clothing,
Right.
factories, those type of things. So everything is made by hand in the villages.
And you have an appreciation for fine clothing.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Right, I like that about you. Pronounce your last name so I won't mess it up.
Anaki,
Kobina Anaki.
you got it.
All right, thanks, man. You are involved now with an economic summit, which I'm really excited to hear about, the economic forum that's going to be taking place at Kaiser University. When does that take place?
The Economic Forum will be on Saturday, August the 18th at Kaiser University from 9 a.m. to noon.
What can people expect at the forum?
Basically, this forum, we organize that to educate, you know, the community about, you know, saving. You can see the minority community, we doesn't save a lot, you know, when it comes to taking care of our generation. So this is the reason we choose this particular topic to educate our community how to save money and how to build wealth.
In your capacity in that particular field, are you finding that this is something that's really lacking in the community?
Oh yeah, definitively. Yeah, definitively. You can see right there we have two topics, you know, blueprint for financial success and also how to build wealth through, you know, home ownership. So basically, you know, those two things are lacking in our community.
You got Peter Lovely, who's
Yeah.
with New York Life Insurance. He's going to be one of the speakers.
Yes.
What makes Peter Lovely the perfect person to give this presentation?
Basically, Peter has over 30-year experience in this field, you know, so he will break down, you know, every question, everything, you know, the public may have concerning this particular topic. So he's very sharp, you know, he knows what he's talking about, so this is what makes him so special for this particular.
And who is your other speaker?
The other speaker is Rebecca McFarlane from McFarlane Development, you know, which is one of the huge developer in Southwest Florida, you know. They have a lot thing to do with renovating the downtown, you know, the downtown Fort Myers area.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that should be very interesting. Who is the audience? Who should come to this 4th annual Economic Expo?
The audience, we don't have a particular audience to point to, you know. Something is sure it will be like a rainbow, you know, very diverse, you know, but for people, you know, want to learn about, you know, saving and also the importance of home ownership, you know, in our community, I think is appealing to everybody.
Well,
you know, yeah.
The African Network of Southwest Florida is involved in this. In what capacity?
Yeah, we are basically the organizer of this event completely. You know, we are the organizer of the event. You know, this is part of our yearly program. We have been doing that for a few years now, and we have a total involvement, you know, basically in this organization.
What is the African Network of Southwest Florida?
The African Network of South Florida, you know, is a group of African descent or people of Africa in heart, you know, and we network, and also, you know, we do so many projects at the level of any country in Africa. You know, Africa is very big, 54 states in Africa, you know, and is basically, you know, the future of the world, basically, because when you look at, we have a lot to go on in Africa when it comes to infrastructure, so many things, you know, so we choose once a while different country in Africa to coordinate and impact people's life.
One of your flagship events that I love coming to, and of course I'm a member of the African Network of Southwest Florida, is your annual gala, which really draws a who's who in Southwest Florida, and it comes up every year in the fall. I'm sure we'll be talking about that in the future. The who can join the African Network of Southwest Florida?
Anybody can join the African Network. We are very diverse. There is a Caucasian in our organization, you know, Asian people, even Indian and Spanish, you know. The key component is you have to feel something in your heart for Africa, you know. So everybody can join, you know, anytime.
If people want more information on the expo, where they should go where?
They should go to the African Network of Southwest Florida.org.
Okay.
So we have all the information there. Also, they can call directly Yvonne Hill at 239-464-9925 or Kobena Anachi at 239-464-9898. We are the co-chair of the economic event.
Okay, so the Economic Expo is going to be on August 18th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. It's going to take place at Kaiser University. You heard it all here from the horse's mouth, our good friend Kobena.
And key component is free.
It's free.
It's free.
And if you're going to throw in some food too?
Definitely,
And
there will
food.
be breakfast,
Free food.
African people like to eat.
Hey,
so
when you say free food, everybody
free
will
food.
be there.
Yeah.
Let's bump you out, my friend.
Okay.
As the saying goes on this particular show, for those who say it can't be done, they're usually interrupted by those like the fine people who are putting on this the African Network of South Florida, and others who are putting on this fine expo at Kaiser University. We'll be right back with another guest on Leap This Live. Hey, this is Lee Pitts, the host of Lee Pitts Live, right here on Fox 4. Glad you checked us out here on YouTube. You want to not miss any of our shows, so we encourage you to subscribe by clicking that red button at the bottom there, and all our Lee Pitts Live shows will come directly to you, conveniently located.